In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create an AI morphed animation using artbreeder.com. Go to the artbreeder.com website and create a free account to log in. Here's a preview of artbreeder.com. All of these images are created using artificial neural network technology. For this tutorial, I am going to use the original user interface of Artbreeder by selecting old version from the menu, but the latest interface is just as simple to use. Here is a preview of an animation that I created a few years ago using 6 images. And here was the final animation after it got generated. I am now going to show you how to create your own animation. It's easy. Press the Create button or select Splicer on the newer interface. Select Portraits or Video and then Portraits on the newer version. Here is an example from Artbreeder. Select Animate. Select Create a new portraits animation. To add the first image you wish to use for your animation, click the plus button. For this example animation, I will be using random users' images. Click on the first image you wish to use. Now, press on the plus button on the right and select your second image. Keep repeating this same step. You can use as many different images as you like. For this example, I will be using 5 images. Now you can adjust the splice options. For this example, I will be using a 2-second transition between each image. But you can adjust this to give either a slower or faster transition. You can also select a transition type. For this example, I will use linear for a smooth transition between images, but you can experiment and see what you prefer. You can also set the frames per second. In this example, I will use 60 frames per second for an even smoother animation. Shown above the generation button is the length of the video in seconds, and the total number of video frames required. Now just click the generate button to create the animation. Artbreeder is now processing the animation, and will send you an email notification when it is ready. This normally only takes a few minutes, but depends on the size of your animation. To find your animation, go to Video Downloads within the menu. And here is my new animation. Enjoy! To download your video animation, press the 3 vertical dots at the bottom right corner, and then select Download. Please like and subscribe for more.